बेळगावातील कर्नाटक लॉ सोसायटीच्या राजा लखमगौडा लॉ कॉलेजमध्ये आयोजित प्रतिभा पुरस्कार आणि जिमखाना समारोप समारंभ 2025-2024 कार्यक्रमामध्ये मुख्य पाहुण्या म्हणून उपस्थित राहून लेफ्टनंट कर्नल पंकजा एकूगजी यांनी विद्यार्थ्यांना संबोधित केले. त्या म्हणाल्या की आजच्या आधुनिक विद्यार्थ्यांशी संवाद साधणे हे एक प्रकारचे आव्हान असून कारण आजची युवा पिढी प्रत्येक गोष्टीला तर्कसंगत उत्तर अपेक्षित ठेवते.
Good to see such smiling faces. आज जब मैं यहाँ मुझे कल शाम को जब ये बताया गया कि आई बीन इनवाइटेड फॉर दिस ब्यूटिफुल फंक्शन ओवर हेयर, in fact it was a privilege and an honor for me to be part of this function. And also when I was told that I have to speak few words for you, it was a big question mark in front of me, because today I'm not addressing some school children or normal graduation kind students. It is the lawyers to whom I'm going to speak, the most learned community of the society. आपसे बात करते वक्त डर लगता है, क्योंकि आपको हर जगह तर्क चाहिए होता है. किसी और को स्पीकिंग विद इंग्लिश स्टूडेंट, हिंदी स्टूडेंट, लिटरेचर स्टूडेंट, साइंस स्टूडेंट, एनी अदर फील्ड इज ओके, बिकॉज यू कैन बिकम इग्नोरेंट, बट यू आर एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ एवरी फील्ड, आई बिलीव. बिकॉज अगर न्यूज़पेपर हम खोल के देखते हैं तो पहले पन्ने पे ही 4 न्यूज़ मिलेंगी, दोज आर कनेक्टेड विद द लॉ. सेकेंड खोलो उसमें भी वही, थर्ड खोलो उसमें भी वही. अगर ध्यान से पढ़ना शुरू करो तो हर जगह सिर्फ लॉ 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 दिखता है, कानून. एंड आई फील थैंक गॉड मैं लॉ स्टूडेंट नहीं थी, नहीं तो यू नो आई हैव माई एल्डर ब्रदर हु इज लॉयर फ्रॉम द सेम कॉलेज and who has joined Indian Army Forces. So I feel really privileged. I stay here itself. My father belongs to Yallur and my mother belongs to Kakti. We have settled here in Hindwadi. So there were many times when I had to come here. My brother used to say कि पंकजा चल, मेरे को थोड़ा कॉलेज तक छोड़ दे, साथ चलना, अकेले नहीं जाना है. तो मैं इस कॉलेज की तरफ देखते हुए जाती थी और कहती थी काश मुझे भी कभी यहाँ आने का मौका मिलेगा, बोलने का मौका मिलेगा. And God has given me that chance. So I really feel privileged. And when we think of law students, the first thing which comes to the mind generally is courtrooms, corporate offices, law firms. I'm wearing a uniform here in front of you, and I had decided long back, around 22 years back, to join Indian Army. Probably because my father was there, and first thing in the morning when I'll open my eyes, I will always see my father in uniform. So it became my dream job to join Indian Army. So when I'm talking of Indian Army, presently I'm in NCC, National Cadet Corps we say. And I'm here to inspire you to join Indian Army, Indian Air Force, and Indian Navy and various defense forces which contribute lots to this country. So my first question to you all is, do you have it in you? I do ask the Indian Army का आपने अगर पोस्टर देखा हो उस पे वो लिखा रहता है, do you have it in you? These few words, when they touch your heart, एक अलग सी कंपन महसूस होती है. I'm not saying that becoming lawyers you're not contributing to the country. However, do you have it in you? Because wearing this uniform, standing at the place where I am, you need courage, you need dedication, you need discipline. So those of you who do not know, I would like to introduce, there is a branch called Judge Advocate General in Indian Army, as well as in Navy and Air Force and even in Coastal Guards. So you can join that prestigious branch of Defense Forces. You can contribute your small small years of your life to the country, becoming the legal experts for the Defense Forces. giving 5 years, 10 years, and then continuing your profession is also a good option. So, those who have not considered or would like to consider, kindly give it a thought. It's something like you advising military commanders on complex legal matters. So it is not that in Indian Army or any of the defense forces you go, you're just taking a gun or you're firing with a tank or forgetting completely about your profession. The judge advocate branch is purely technical. I repeat, it's purely technical. So, other than handling a gun, how to fight, how to defense, you are purely doing your legal practice over there. So, it's nothing like a BA personal, a BCom person or a BSc person who goes and when he joins a specific services or arms, he is doing a particular kind of a job. Like when I joined Indian Army, I was an engineer in electronics and communication, and I joined electronics and communications branch. And in short, if I want to tell you, every equipment which Indian Army uses, be it a weapon system, be it anything, what you term it as an equipment, is being repaired by my branch, this EME. So the army can't move without our support. I'm not saying my support, it is with our support, the various services and branches. So similarly, JAG also forms an important part of defense forces. I would like to say in end one simple thing. कानून का विद्यार्थी केवल अपने भविष्य का निर्माण नहीं करता है. मैं फिर से कहना चाहूंगी, कानून का विद्यार्थी केवल अपने भविष्य का निर्माण नहीं करता है, बल्कि वह एक न्यायपूर्ण समाज और मजबूत राष्ट्र के निर्माण में अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान देता है. So you all people who are sitting here, you are very important to this society. Keep doing well and please keep your aim in mind. And I hope that many of you join Indian Armed Forces. And I have also requested the principal sir, he has also shown his interest. Very soon there might be a NCC starting in your college. And also one more thing, till the time NCC shuru ho आपके college में, there is one more opportunity which I would like to tell you. Those who have done their B certificate, those ones who have done their PU1, PU2, and want to further continue the third year of NCC, can join via this college to a previous institute itself as an open vacancy. So you do have a C certificate entry. It helps a lot because NCC is not just about unity and discipline. Discipline is required everywhere. It is required everywhere. Discipline का मतलब होता है नियम. संडे के दिन आपका पूरा नियम खराब हो जाता है. All of you, whatever is your school timing, college timing, we don't get up. We sleep 1 hour extra. And you know on Sunday what happens. Most of you say कि we relaxed, हम आराम से उठे, but that's not the case. अगर आप अंदर अपनी आत्मा से पूछोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा, बोलोगे कि आज मुझे 1-2 बजे तक ये काम करना था. It could not happen because it was a Sunday. I wanted to go to a particular shop. It was closed because it was a Sunday. So I'm not blaming it on Sunday. What I'm trying to bring out is niyam, discipline. जिस टाइम पे उठना है, जिस टाइम पे जो काम करना है, उसकी आदत, ये हमें एनसीसी सिखाती है. I myself also is a NCC cadet, and that is why I know this importance. आपके principal भी NCC cadet है. He is a B certificate holder. So I'm really proud of him. He has been professor of my elder brother, also the previous principal. So I'm really blessed today. Thank you, sir. And thank you, everyone. Jai Hind.
या कार्यक्रमाच्या अध्यक्षस्थानी महाविद्यालयाच्या व्यवस्थापन मंडळाचे अध्यक्ष RS मुतालिक होते. कार्यक्रमात जिमखाना युनियनचे अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर D प्रसन्नकुमार, प्राचार्य डॉक्टर AH हवालदार आदी उपस्थित होते. विनोद कोलकार, KMM मराठी, बेळगाव.
100 ವರ್ಷಗಳು 100 ದಿನಗಳು ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಶುಲ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ 100% ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ.
ಭೀಮಾ ಲೆಗಸಿ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ 100 ಡೇಸ್ ಆಫರ್.
ಚಿನ್ನ, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ವಜ್ರದ ಮೇಲಿನ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಶುಲ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ 100% ವರೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ.
ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರತಿ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ವಜ್ರದ ಮೇಲೆ 24 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬಾರ್ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಭೀಮಾ ಮಳಿಗೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಲಭ್ಯ. ಷರತ್ತುಗಳು ಅನ್ವಯ.